Hello viewers, welcome to Sports and Fitness Foods. Oats are considered as a complex carbohydrate. They contain starch and fiber. The combination of these in oats means that they are broken down and digested more slowly by the body and provides sustained release of energy. So, today I am going to share a super healthy and instant oats beet idli. You can have this for your breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It goes well with roasted chana dal and coconut chutney, which is completely oil free and protein rich. You can also have this with sambar or any other chutney of your choice. This is the best meal in your weight loss journey. It keeps your tummy full for a longer time. So, without wasting much time, let's dive into the recipe. Heat a pan and add 2 cups of rolled oats into it. Roast the oats for 5 minutes until they turn crispy. Now switch off the stove and let it cool down, then grind it into a coarse powder. Now take another pan and add 1 tablespoon of desi cow ghee into it and heat it. Once the ghee gets heated, keep the flame on medium-low, then add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of jeera. Once this splutters, add 1 tablespoon of urud dal and 1 tablespoon of chana dal. Saute it for a minute. Now add 1 teaspoon of grated ginger and 3 finely chopped green chilies. Saute it once again for a minute on a low flame. Now add few chopped curry leaves and 1 cup of suji or semolina. Roast the rava for 2 to 3 minutes on a low flame until raw smell from the rava goes out. Now switch off the flame and allow the rava mixture to cool down completely. Now take a mixing bowl, add the cooled rava mixture, two cups of prepared oats flour, one medium-sized beetroot paste, 1 cup of curd, and 1½ teaspoons of pink salt. First mix all these things gradually. Then add 1 cup of water. Now mix it thoroughly. Keep it aside and rest it for 30 minutes. For the chutney, add ½ cup of roasted chana dal into a mixer jar. Add 1/4 cup of roasted and peeled peanuts, 3 green chilies, ½ cup of fresh coconut pieces, 1 teaspoon of pink salt, and finally add some water. Close it with a lid and grind it into a smooth chutney. After 30 minutes, all the water is absorbed and the batter turned thick. Now add some water. Mix it carefully. I am adding some more water into it. Now mix it thoroughly and make it into idli batter like consistency. Now grease the idli molds with ghee and fill the molds with the prepared idli batter. Now add 2 cups of water into the idli steamer. Now place this idli stand into the steamer. Close it with a lid and steam it for 15 to 20 minutes on a medium-low flame. After 20 minutes, take out the idli stand and remove the idlis from the molds. Now our super healthy and instant oats beet idlis are ready to serve. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like it, share this to your friends, and also subscribe this channel for more tasty, healthy and quick fitness recipes. Meet you in the next video.